Hello and welcome to the WhatSalon Grow tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to check somebody in for their appointment and close that appointment off. I'm also going to show you how to log a no-show should that happen. Okay, so as always, the first thing to do is log yourself into WhatSalon Grow, where you'll find yourself on the dashboard screen. You'll see at the top of the dashboard screen there are a whole bunch of quick stats. So these give you information on the number of appointments you've got, no-shows that you've had, completed appointments, and any revenue that you've taken through the appointments that you've completed. You can actually look at the timescales on this, so you can put different dates in just up here. You can choose those dates, and then you can reset these as well, so you can get a zeroed score if you need to. Okay, so how do we check somebody in? Well, the easiest way to do that is actually on the dashboard screen. If you scroll down, you'll see the upcoming appointments. So here we are. There are a whole bunch here of appointments that are upcoming. At the moment, I've got nobody checked in, but I'm going to go through and I'm going to check Emma Cruz into her appointment. She's having a pedicure with Jill Smith at 1 o'clock and it's going to cost £30. First thing I'm going to do is hit the blue check-in button. It will ask for confirmation. I'll hit yes. And she's now moved from the upcoming appointments page into the checked in page, which can be accessed here. So great, she's had a fantastic appointment. She's been checked in. She's really happy with the service. And now we're going to check her out. The simple way to do that is just hit the green checkout button. That will complete the appointment and it will log the revenue into your system. Let's do that now. Great, absolutely simple. So at the moment we've got no check-in appointments, so I'm going to select the 10 new button and this will take me back to the appointment screen and all the new appointments that are waiting. All right, great. So every now and then we're going to have people who don't show up for their appointment. We don't like this, but we've got to deal with it, right? So let's say David hasn't turned up for his cut and finish. Well, instead of checking him in, we're going to log David as a no-show. And we're going to confirm that. Hit yes. Okay, so David has now been confirmed as a no-show. So that will not recognize the revenue and it will log a no-show against David in his customer record. So let's go and have a look at that. On the left-hand side of the screen, you need to select customers. Select the menu option here. And let's search for David. There he is. And here's David's record. You can see his general information, but we're interested in appointments. There we are. So here are his past appointments, and we can see that actually he's paid one of them, but he's missed a couple. But it just gives us that level of information. And if we're booking people in, we can get some visibility on whether they're turning up or not. You can also in here see whether he's got any live appointments or if he's got any in the future. If I jump back to the customers menu, let's have a look at Alice Smith. There we are. Refresh that page. There's her general information. We can see information about her appointments. We can also see any live appointments. And we can see that she's got some in the future there. Now, because they're in the future, of course, they'll be recorded as not paid. Okay, so managing appointments is as simple as that. And when you close them out, it will update the records on your quick stats page on your dashboard. Thanks for watching today, and I'll see you on the next one.